Hello friends. If you make idlis regularly, you already know the struggle. Idlis don't demold easily. Plates get sticky, need to scrub hard, leave scratches and discolors over time. If you don't wash right away, plates get super dry and you end up soaking before cleaning. Even greasing with extra oil doesn't help much. Cleaning is still a big headache. So no need of all that hassle anymore. Today I'm going to share a perfect all-in-one solution. Reusable silicone idli liners. No sticking, no greasing and no more scrubbing. You will enjoy perfect idlis every single time with super easy demolding and effortless cleaning. Idlis will be perfectly shaped, soft, fluffy and smooth. Also, idli plates will stay super clean and spotless. No batter sticking and no stains. The best part is idlis won't stick no matter how soft or runny your idli batter is. Idlis always hold nice round shape, thus you can try all healthy variations easily. Perfect for millet idlis, quinoa, moong dal idlis and many more healthier options. Absolutely amazing and useful. If you steam multiple batches of idlis in a row, you can reuse these liners immediately, as these liners stay clean. Definitely a big time saver. Absolutely ultimate choice if you want to avoid using aluminum plates directly and oil for idlis. Also to avoid hard cleaning post cooking. These liners are compact, flexible, lightweight, durable, stackable, right size and right shape. Also totally safe to use and reusable as these are made with 100% food grade BPA-free silicone. These liners come in 16 pack with beautiful colors. Good enough for one batch, holds the batter nicely and have handles for easy grip. So if you wonder how to use, here you go. It's so easy to use these liners. All you need to do is place liners on idli plates. Add batter. Tap down the plates gently to level batter evenly. Stack all plates on idli stand without overlapping holes for full steam circulation. Add water in idli cooker and preheat to save time. And then steam idlis. A must-have item in your kitchen if you make idlis regularly. Same way with instant pot by adding water in inner pot. Wait for 5 minutes after steaming. Hold the liners with handles and gently push from liner bottom to demold idlis. As you see, idlis slide out so easily. In fact, kids can also enjoy helping you to demold idlis. Coming to cleaning, since idli plates stay clean, you can wash only the liners. Just rinse off right after steaming, or soak for few minutes and wash. Unlike idli plates that dry out and need hard scrubbing, these liners don't need any effort and won't take up space in the sink like idli plates. So it's very easy to clean liners later also. I love these liners so much that I'm here to share with you all. Does idli plate stay clean, new, scratch free and last longer? Since it's silicone, no need to grease even. Doesn't stick at all. Saves idli prepping time. Easy to keep idlis oil free this way. Greasing is totally optional. Hope you find these useful. Stay tuned for many more amazing kitchen hacks and healthy cooking options. Thanks for watching.